So back to the channel. In this video I'm going to change finally my rear diffuser and my exhaust tubes. They arrived 3 days ago. I haven't seen them in live, only on pictures. So I will show you right now what exactly I ordered, and I want my reaction to be as fair as possible. So I didn't open it before I filmed this video. So let's go and unbox it. And here we have both of the exhaust tips. I finally found 5-inch tips which can fully fit to the rear diffuser. So guys, now I'll show you the exhaust tip. I haven't seen them. Oh, look at this, man. They're just extraordinary, and to be fair, they're quite big. You can see it on the video or on picture, but for sure they will make a huge difference to the rear. You can see how big actually it is. I can fit my fist, even bigger hand can fit inside. Oh yeah, let's see the other if everything is okay. Yep, everything seems okay. Oh yeah, look at these bad boys. Nice. I don't know why exactly I went for the carbon one. I wanted a glossy one, but anyway, they look okay. The rear diffuser is glossy black. It's not a carbon, but I don't think a carbon rear diffuser will be okay with the glossy trims of the car. I mean, the mirror caps, the front splitter. So this will be the only one which will be a carbon. So yeah, let's see now the diffuser.
One eternity later.
Let's see. Oh yeah, baby. That's really nice. That's my honest reaction. I haven't seen it before. You see it, it was fully boxed. It was unpacked. Oh yeah, I think it will be okay. Oh yeah, yeah. No worries, it should say somewhere around here in the middle. Oh man, let's just start this work because I want to see the final result. Unbelievable. So first thing, we have to remove the rear diffuser. It's held on by a few clips. The rear exhaust tips are also held on clips. Not sure if there's some bolts from inside, I should check. But after we remove the exhaust tips actually, which are the complicated part, we can then fit these tips, and we will see if we have sufficient pipe to hold it, because you see it's held by this clip also, and if you don't have sufficient length of the pipe, it can fall out. So yeah, we should bear in mind this. The exhaust tip is held on by these clips, and you have to push it to inside so it will release the exhaust tip from the bumper, but you know it's an old clip, so it's not that easy, and you have to be careful not to break it or break the bumper, because you know the plastic is also how to say brittle, and you have to be careful when you push it. Guys, let me show you what exactly I was trying to do for the last 5 minutes. I'm not sure if you can see there the clip which is holding here. The clip which is holding the exhaust tip is additionally held by a small bolt, so you have to remove the bolt, and after that you can push the clip. So I was trying to hammer it, but it's being held from inside, so first you have to remove the bolt. First bolt removed successfully. Actually, it's being held on with 2 bolts and 2 clips, but you can imagine how much dirt is on this bumper and on this exhaust tip. My eyes are fully with dirt, but we have to continue. Now we should be able to remove it, but let's see. You have to be careful when you push. Oh. Actually, I was wrong. There are 3 bolts, and I was fighting with this one, the last one, for around 10 minutes. Turning out that I have to drill this rivet here, and there is one more rivet on this side from both sides. Yes, finally. Put all these screws behind the bumper. How stupid you have to be. I got so much labor for one exhaust tip. And you have to remove also this one. It's only for the rectangular one. We have to go to the other side. Finally. Okay, so I just fit the tips, and I didn't expect to fit so well. So yeah, actually it's very good. And now I'll put the clips and I'll tighten up, but maybe I'll first put the diffuser and after that, so I can center it. Oh, from now I like the view. So I have to put few clips from underneath so it can hold it stronger, and I can finally put the tips, and I will show you the result. Tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No brakes, no cap, I'm built to last. She want one more round, I told her bet fast. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silently. And there she is, guys. I think it's much better. I really like the result. Just the 5-inch tips completely changed the car. I really like it. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the like button or subscribe for the channel. Let's improve it, let's grow, so that we can change more parts and make new projects. And stay tuned for now.